Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be exploring the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box, and I'm going to tell you things I love about it and things I don't love about it and talk y'all through it. So if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you are here today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here with me as well. You know I love you all so much, and thank you so much for your support. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before we dive into all the goodness that's in this box, I want to just tell you a couple things about it. This seasonal surprise box is likely sold out, but it probably is available in stores, I think. So if you are dying to have it and you live near one of their stores or have a friend that does, you can check it out there. The other thing is that seasonal surprise boxes, when they are announced and they are seasonal and they're supposed to be a surprise, are $35 free shipping in the United States. They do charge for shipping internationally, understandably, and it's free shipping all the time on these. But if you order other things, you still have to make it above that minimum to get to a free shipping amount. Now, bonus tip, pro tip, one way or another. If you order other things with it, be prepared to wait longer because those things will ship when this ships, and this is normally like a couple weeks before it ships. But if you order things with it, then this box is protected because it comes in a different shipping box, and then you get the beauty of this box of having it marked up with all the shipping materials and everything like that. And part of what is so great about the seasonal surprise boxes are the boxes themselves. These are good quality boxes. They're always reversible. These are great for storage boxes. I mean, these are nice boxes. These are not your regular boxes. So let's dive in. On the inside, part of that reversibleness is if you want to reverse it and make this the outside, make your own sunshine. This is great to display. It's very nice and clean and yellow. Love the colors. It's a great proposition for the box itself because I feel like the value is definitely there. I'm going to move it off to the side and let's go ahead and start going through it. Now again, if you bought this box and you want to be surprised, don't watch. I did not. I watched other people because I wanted to know what was in it. I had already ordered it, but I wanted to know what was in it. And I loved it, so I kept it. Okay, so the first thing is that the box itself has a certain value that it kind of commits and says, okay, this is, you know, you're not going to get less than this value of it. I'm going to tell you the price of things, but I don't necessarily know how accurate or inaccurate each item is. So, yeah. All right, so the first thing that's in this box is this little tiny kaleidoscope patterned notepad. It's really great for small compactness. It's kind of the same size as like an iPhone. I don't have the Plus, I just have the regular. And it's kind of like really close to that same size. So really super portable, great for like note taking on the go. It is, here's the bigger version, which did not come in the box. So don't be alarmed as you're seeing it. It's not part of the box, but you can kind of get an idea for the size of it. So it's really, really super cute. I think, you know, great for on the go. Again, I don't know that I'll use it as much as some people may, but I probably throw it in my purse and it'll be great for on the go note taking. This is valued at $6. $6. I would say that's probably pretty accurate for a small little notepad like this. Maybe $4.99 would be like probably a more appropriate value, but I would say that's probably pretty accurate to what it is. Okay, the next thing is and this is in no particular order, so I'm just pulling things out of the box and no particular order. So this is the Asterisk ballpoint pen. It is valued, it's a sneak peek, I should tell you that. So each item, there's some that are sneak peeks that are coming to the store if you want to buy them, and then some are exclusive to the box. This is an exclusive to the box. This is a sneak peek. So at some point in time, you'll be able to buy this directly from the store. It's valued at $10.50, which I don't know, that might be accurate for ballpoint pens. I don't really know. I don't buy them on the regular, but I think it's very pretty, and so I could kind of see where that would come from. My guess is that because that's the value of it, that'll probably also be the price of it, but don't quote me on that either. Okay, the next thing in the box are these amazing paper clips. There is 9 of them. They're super good quality. I did open them up, although those have already fallen out, but I did open them up and look at them. They're really good quality. They hold paper really well. They bend really well. They're not super overbearing or super chintzy. Overall, very good quality. They're this beautiful rose gold color, and I use files all the time because of what I do. So there's lots of papers and contracts and things that I use paper clips for that I would love to use these with. So I'm very excited about these. These are valued at $8.50, and it is a sneak peek. So if you love this, it will be coming to their website. I love these. I love paper clips. So like decorative ones. So this is a like value proposition for me for sure, but it is coming to their website, and I would say pretty accurate for value, you know, maybe again like $6, but I think probably pretty accurate. Okay, the next thing in the bag is this beautiful little on-the-go pursed wristlet. It is this is an exclusive to the bag. It's valued at $15. I would say overall this is probably pretty accurate value. It might be a little bit on the high side, but I feel like it's pretty nice quality. It looks way prettier in person. A lot more like mustardish color, not quite like yellow. Really pretty color. I heard a lot of other people say that it was kind of designed to be like a, you know, like a concert venue type bag where you put some stuff in before you're going to go to a concert and you can keep it safe that way. I could see that being the case because it's obviously summertime and a lot of people do go to those events over summer. But what I will say is the quality is really super phenomenal, and I think that it would be great for a makeup bag or on the go bag, or maybe like, you know, whatever you need to take with you, organizing. Great washi storage, great sticker storage, whatever you might need it for. I will probably use it as a makeup bag, but I haven't totally decided yet, but it's super nice quality. So I would say that's pretty accurate, and it does have the rose gold touches at the top. Overall, I'm pleased with that. Okay, the next thing in the box is your exclusive sticker sheets. They're kind of going along with like the theme of like tropical. Based on, you know, like this is kind of tropical, and then like on the back it's like the same kind of theme as that. These are valued at $7.50. It says 3 sheets. I don't know where the third sheet is yet. Oh, I do know where the third sheet is. Okay, so there is another sheet of stickers. It has included the value of the other sticker sheet as $7.50. I think that's, you know, if you're buying stickers by the sheet, they're going to be more than like in a big book. But, you know, I think overall it's probably a little embellished. These are really super cute stickers. I love the tab stickers, but I love these. Like, they just remind me of like Fruit Loops. So that's really exciting to me. Okay, so, ooh, that came back out for another thing. All right, so here we have the Petite Planner. It is summer journaling, includes 3 undated monthly spreads, daily journaling prompts. I should tell you that these stickers are exclusive to the box. And this is an exclusive. Wait, no. Hold on. Pause that thought. Okay. This is a sneak peek. So let me tell you this. This is going to get a little confusing here, but and I'm going to show you this planner, but inside this planner there is a sticker sheet that comes with all the Petite planners. These stickers are exclusive, but the sticker sheet that's in there, which is one of the 3 sticker sheets, is going to come in this. So it will not be exclusive. It will be exclusive to this, but it's not exclusive to just the box. So it's 3 undated monthly spreads, daily journaling prompts, spaces for memory keeping, list section for your summer to-dos, world map to record all of your summer activities, and exclusive metallic sticker sheet. So it's exclusive to this journal, but not, or to this planner, but not to the box itself. And this is a sneak peek. So I make my own sunshine, Petite planner, let the sunshine in and let the summer begin. And then you have undated sections, to-do list, birthdays, special occasions, a little doc grid paper for you to journal or do whatever you want. I want this summer to be a moment that we laughed today was. I want to create people I want to connect with this summer. Something new I'm trying this summer. I relaxed today. Bye. Like, it's just super cute with a bunch of different fun things in here to say. So really great memory keeping. I feel like that's kind of what it's more ideal for with photo sections and everything. And then in the back, you have your exclusive sticker sheet that's in it, which obviously they have dated stickers and then a few different things in there as well, and a pocket folder, which I was really excited about this because I pre-watched someone else's video, and so I knew it was in here, but I am excited to add that to my folio. So super excited about that. Really think that's a great. Now this retails at $14. And that's what the other ones are. You can use coupons, and the coupons apply to them, so that, obviously brings it down a little bit. But I would say overall that's right on the money. Okay, and the last thing in the box is this beautiful cover. If you don't love Erin Condren planners, I think they include this in every a cover in every surprise box. So if you don't love Erin Condren planners, then this is going to kind of be like purposeless to you. But what I will say is they're still great as like if you just want the box for all the other goodies, then they're still great. This is a really pretty like ombre type look. It's got the rose gold in there. I love it. It starts with peach, yellow, green, blue. Super pretty. It kind of carries on the same theme on the inside, and then of course on the back, and it includes the regular note paper, all that good stuff in there. Now what I will say is that if you do not love Erin Condren planners, and so you don't necessarily need an extra cover for your planner, there's like thousands of ways to use these, so don't waste them. It is still very useful, and I probably will do a video on what to do with your covers if you don't have the planner anymore. So to recap, what came in the box, again, it's $35 free shipping. I like to consider the box itself as part of the value because it is a super nice, super pretty, super good quality box, great for storage, and just really overall, it's really nice itself. So the box, then you get a cover. In this box, seasonal surprise box, you get a cover to change out on your Erin Condren planner, which I do have Erin Condren planners and I really loved them. And then the petite planner that would go in your folio or just used by itself. You have your 2 additional sticker sheets, and then of course the one that comes in the back side of the planner, which is part of the 3 sticker sheets they claim, but it comes in that one. And then you have your paper clips, your ballpoint pen, your little kaleidoscope on the go folio mini, and then make my own sunshine bag. All in all, I feel like the value is definitely there for everything that you're getting. It's definitely worth $35. It's fun. And what I love about it is it is a surprise. So if you want to keep it a surprise, then you just have to stay away from everyone else's social media. But it is supposed to be a surprise, and it's supposed to be fun and intended for you to be surprised by what's in it. I definitely think the value is there for $35 with free shipping. It's 100% worth it. Again, if you place an order and add additional things in it, it's going to ship for free, and the box is going to be protected because it's going to be inside of a different box, which I feel like is partly a good thing too. I'm sure there's exceptions to that rule, so don't 100% count on that, but that was my experience with it. So what I'm going to do is give this an A+ rating as far as what was in the box, even though I don't necessarily love I don't necessarily love yellow. I do love the look of this, and I think that this is useful. I also think that even though I won't really use this ballpoint pen, I do feel like value-wise, this is an A+. Although what I will say, if I have to pick my favorite thing from this particular box, it's probably a tie for this planner, but really probably these paper clips are my favorite thing. I think the planner is really great. I think the majority of people loved this bag, but I definitely loved the also forgot to mention the Chase the Sun cover is an exclusive and it is an $8 value, which someone else had said. Again, I'm new enough to not know 100%, but someone else had said that covers are normally $8 on their website, but anything that includes the the foiling is normally more, and that would fall under this category. So I'm not sure how that fares, but I think it definitely is part of the value proposition. So outside of the box, for the exclusive content, you have, or exclusive products, you have these. And the sneak peeks are these. Yeah. So if you love any of these 3 products and you have to have them, these will be coming to the website. You can buy these. These are the things that were exclusive to the box. So if you can't live without it. Now what I will say is if you did love these, all of them together equal the price of the box. So if you could, try to find someone to pick a box up for you, if they are in stores, I'm not 100% positive that they are, but I know that the spring one was, then you are looking at a better value for what is in there. So again, all in all, I give it an A+ for what's in there. I think it was well worth the money, and I will continue to be surprised each season with them.